If you've ever watched an NBA game and seen people talking about spreads, money lines, parlays, or odds changing in real time, it can feel like a whole different language happening alongside the actual game. What's going on in the background is something called sports betting, and one of the most well-known platforms people often hear about is FanDuel Sportsbook. But before anything else, it's important to understand that this is an activity that is restricted to adults of legal gambling age, depending on where they live, and it carries financial risk. So instead of treating this like a how to start betting guide, think of this as a breakdown of how NBA betting works in general, how platforms like FanDuel operate conceptually, and what all those confusing terms actually mean when you see them during a game. At its core, sports betting is just predicting outcomes of sporting events and putting money behind those predictions. In the NBA, that could mean predicting which team will win, how many total points will be scored in a game, or even more specific outcomes, like how many points a player might score. A platform like FanDuel Sportsbook acts as an intermediary that sets odds for these outcomes and allows eligible users to place wagers based on those odds. The key idea to understand is that sportsbooks are not random prediction tools. They are structured businesses designed to balance risk on both sides of a bet while ensuring the house always has an edge over time. To really understand how NBA betting works, you have to start with the idea of odds. Odds are basically a way of expressing probability and potential payout. When you hear that a team is minus 5.5 on the spread or plus 180 on the money line, that is the sportsbook telling you how likely they think an outcome is and how much you would theoretically win if that outcome happens. The numbers are not just predictions, they are carefully adjusted based on statistics, betting trends, injuries, team performance, and even public opinion. One of the most common types of NBA bets is the money line. This is the simplest form to understand conceptually because it just involves picking which team will win the game outright. However, the payout is not equal for both sides. If one team is heavily favoured, the payout for betting on them is smaller because the outcome is considered more likely. On the other hand, if a team is seen as the underdog, the payout is higher because the outcome is less likely. The sportsbook adjusts these odds constantly leading up to the game, depending on new information, like a star player being injured or resting. Another major concept is the point spread, which is where things get a little more interesting. In NBA games, sometimes one team is expected to be significantly stronger than the other. To make the betting field more balanced, sportsbooks add or subtract points from the final score for betting purposes. So instead of just asking who wins, the spread asks who wins by a certain margin. For example, if a team is favoured by 6 points, they need to win by more than 6 points for a bet on them to be successful. If they only win by 3 or lose the game entirely, then the other side of the bet wins. This system is designed to make both sides of the betting market more even. Then there is something called the over/under, also known as the total. This focuses not on who wins, but on how many total points are scored in the game, combined by both teams. The sportsbook sets a number, such as 225.5 points, and bettors decide whether the actual combined score will be over or under that number. This creates a completely different way of analysing games, because now you're not just thinking about winners and losers, but about pace of play, defensive strength, shooting efficiency, and coaching style. Beyond these basic categories, there are also more complex betting structures like parlays. A parlay combines multiple bets into one single wager. For example, someone might combine the outcome of several NBA games or mix different types of bets together. The appeal of this is that the potential payout increases significantly because all parts of the bet must be correct for the wager to win. However, the risk is also much higher because if even one part fails, the entire bet loses. This is why parlays are often considered high-risk, high-reward structures. Another important aspect of understanding NBA betting through platforms like FanDuel is how quickly odds can change. These platforms use live data and algorithms that adjust odds in real time based on what is happening in the market and during games. If a star player gets injured right before tip-off, the odds can shift dramatically within minutes. If a team goes on a scoring run during a game, live or in-play odds can change every possession. This dynamic environment is part of what makes sports betting feel fast-paced and unpredictable. It's also important to understand the concept of the house edge. Sportsbooks don't rely on guessing outcomes correctly. They rely on balancing bets in a way that guarantees they take a small percentage advantage over time. This is built into the odds themselves. Even when bets seem evenly matched, the payout structure is designed so that the sportsbook maintains profitability in the long run, regardless of individual game outcomes. Now, when people hear about FanDuel Sportsbook specifically, it is often described as one of the major licensed sports betting platforms in regions where online sports betting is legal. It provides users with access to betting markets across different sports, including the NBA. However, access to such platforms is strictly regulated, and users must meet legal age requirements and location rules. These regulations exist because sports betting involves real financial risk and can lead to losses, not just gains. It is not a guaranteed way to make money, and in fact, most experienced analysts emphasize that long-term profitability is extremely difficult. Another major concept that often gets overlooked is emotional control. In sports betting environments, especially during high-energy games like NBA matchups, it becomes very easy for people to make impulsive decisions based on excitement rather than logic. This is one of the reasons responsible gambling messaging is so heavily emphasized in the industry. People are encouraged to set limits, avoid chasing losses, and treat betting as entertainment rather than income generation. Without that mindset, it becomes very easy for the experience to shift from casual interest to financial stress. There is also a strong analytical side to NBA betting that revolves around statistics and performance trends. People who study this space often look at things like player efficiency ratings, team offensive and defensive rankings, pace of play, home versus away performance, and head-to-head history. They also pay attention to scheduling factors such as back-to-back games, travel fatigue, and injury reports. Even with all this data, outcomes in basketball are still uncertain because the sport is fast-paced and highly variable. Another thing worth understanding is that sportsbooks are designed to be engaging. The interface, live updates, and constantly shifting odds are all built to keep users interested in ongoing games. This creates an environment where tension is always on the next play, the next quarter, or the next score change. That's why it's important to step back and remember that behind the excitement, this is still a financial system where risk is always present. In a broader sense, NBA betting has become part of modern sports culture in many countries where it is legal, and platforms like FanDuel have played a major role in making it more accessible to adult audiences. However, accessibility does not remove risk. If anything, it increases the importance of understanding how everything works before ever getting involved. Many people engage with it purely as a way to make watching games more interactive, while others study it deeply like a form of data analysis. But regardless of approach, outcomes are never guaranteed. At the end of the day, understanding NBA betting is less about learning how to place wagers and more about understanding probability, risk, and decision-making under uncertainty. Every game becomes a set of numbers, expectations, and possibilities that may or may not align with reality once the ball is tipped. That unpredictability is what makes sports exciting in the first place, even without any financial element attached. So when you hear terms like spread, moneyline, or over/under during an NBA broadcast or online discussion, you're now seeing them in context. They are just different ways of interpreting the same game through the lens of probability. And while platforms like FanDuel Sportsbook exist to facilitate that ecosystem for eligible adults, the most important takeaway is understanding that sports will always remain unpredictable, and that no system or strategy can remove that uncertainty completely. If anything, the real value in learning about this topic is not in trying to win money, but in understanding how probability, risk, and human behavior interact around something as popular and emotional as basketball.